Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It is also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Friends, in this video we are going to discuss latest job openings in Salem location. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there are vacancies from IDBI Federal Life Insurance Co Limited. So they are hiring for team leader, team member position. So they are offering a salary for this job position is 20,000 to 21,000 rupees per month. Only Salem location candidates can eligible to apply for this job position. Other district candidates don't apply. So you can't apply for this job position. Other district candidates can't apply. Salem location candidates only can eligible to apply for this job position. Age should be between 18 to 35 years. And please training, they are going to provide a training period for 3 months for this position. Stipend will be 36,000 rupees. It's based on the performance. Education qualification will be any degree or diploma. Annual income will be 3,50,000 rupees. So office timings 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Please check with the details provided here, and interested candidates you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9025987218. Next, there are vacancies from Tanuvas. They are hiring for veterinary graduate position. So it is located in Namakkal location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 40,000 rupees per month. Only one vacancy is available, and freshers can be eligible to apply for this job position. Education qualification will be BVSC, and the last date to apply for this job position is 22 February 2021. So selection will be based on purely on merit basis. Yeah, you can check here the application procedure and timings, and also interested candidates you can next, there are vacancies from the Nesabu company. They are hiring for retail sales executive and visual merchandiser. It is located in Salem location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 10,000 to 12,000 rupees per month. So you should be responsible for all the activities in the showroom related to the sales in the showroom. The role shall be based out of the job description which has to be assigned. So please check with the responsibilities and duties here, and all the details provided here. So interested candidates you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 8098991122. Next, there are vacancies from Vinayaka Mission Hospital. So they are hiring for marketing executive position. It is located in Salem location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 15,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. And for this job position, please check with the responsibilities and the skills needed. So interested candidates you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 709445011. Next, there are vacancies from Netweb Prints. They are hiring for DTP operator. It is located in Attur, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 7,000 rupees per month, and they are looking for the candidates who have good knowledge in MS Office, Word or PowerPoint and Excel, and who have strong knowledge of editing word alignment is most preferable. And salary is based on the experience. Freshers can also be eligible to apply for this job position. They are looking for the candidates around all these areas and nearby locations. So interested candidates you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9841381914. Next, there are vacancies from Hope Vision Services. They are hiring for the telecaller executive positions. It is located in Salem location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 7,500 to 10,000 rupees per month, and they need a BPO, telecallers, semi voice process, and it is for night shift only. And for this job position, any gender, I mean both females and males can eligible to apply for this job position. Qualification will be inter, diploma, and any degree with arrear is also applicable. Freshers as well as experienced candidates both are eligible to apply for this job position. They have provided here the two contact numbers. First one 9677 666635, second one 9344331351, and we have provided here the address details. Please check with this. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone numbers. Next, there are vacancies from Clobus. They are hiring for sales trainee position. So it is located in Salem location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 6,000 rupees per month, and for this job position, these are the skills required, and they are preferring for two-wheeler with license. Education qualification will be any graduates. Freshers are most welcome for this job position. They are providing some benefits. They are giving the salary 6,000, and additionally they are providing attractive incentives. So check with this. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, or else you can send your resume to the provided email ID. The phone number is 9840534223. Next, there are some job openings from Hope Vision Service. They are hiring for telecaller executive, semi voice process. It is located in Salem location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 8,000 to 10,000 rupees per month, and they wanted BPO, telecallers or semi voice process. It is night shift. Both males or females can eligible to apply for this job position. Qualification will be any degree. It is for both the freshers or experienced candidates. They have provided here the contact numbers and the address details. Please check with this. Interested candidates, we can contact them with the given phone numbers. They have provided here three contact numbers. First one 9677666635, second one 8438366139, third one 9344331359. Next, there are some job openings from CCI Logistics Private Limited. They are hiring for logistic executive, and it is located in Salem location. They are offering a salary for this job position is 8,000 to 12,000 rupees per month, and the candidate should have knowledge in FTL and LTL, system knowledge, coordinating vendors and client, ERP entry, accounts basics, sales and marketing knowledge, documentation. You should be having all these skills for this job position. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 8422827437. Next, there is a job opening for telesales agent. It is from Next Gen Trading Academy. It is located in Salem location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 4,000 to 7,000 rupees per month. It is for female candidates, and you should be having knowledge on all these fields, that is experience in accounts, website design and social media marketing. You should be having knowledge on all these. Any degree candidates can eligible to apply for this job position. Important English and Hindi speaking persons, telecommunications work and positive think knowledge. You should be having all these skills for this job position. So interested candidates, you can apply through the given phone number, that is 9500822841. Next, there are some job openings from Rasil Seeds Private Limited. They are hiring for field assistant position. It is located in Attur, Tamil Nadu. So they are offering a salary for this job position is 1,50,000 rupees per year. Freshers are eligible to apply for this job position. Education qualification will be BSc Botany or Diploma in Agriculture. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 8124620244. Next, there is a job opening for marketing executive from Gokul Interiors. It is located in Salem location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 7,000 rupees per month. And marketing executive for interiors business, working time morning 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Good communication skills and honesty. Both freshers as well as experienced persons can eligible to apply for this job position. Education qualification will be 12th passed. It's a full-time job. So cell phone reimbursement. So it is these are the benefits they are providing. It's a morning shift. So please check with the all details provided here, and for further details you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 6381573376. Next, there is a job opening for plant operator STP RO. It is from QWMS India Private Limited. It is located in Salem location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job portion is 8,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. Freshers in diploma mechanical engineering or ITI or engineering. So these candidates can eligible to apply for this job position. 0 to 2 years of experience is also preferable for this job position. So interested candidates, you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about this job position. Next, there is a job opening for crane operator. It is from Obli Granites. It is located in Omalur location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 15,000 rupees per month. Experience in operate the crane, escort or JCB. Local candidates only required. So no accommodation will be provided. So these are the detailed information about this job position. Please check with this, and interested candidates you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9600993452. Next, there is a job opening for kitchen hand. It is from Gaushik Enterprises, and it is located in Salem location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 6,000 to 7,000 rupees per month, and location will be Firelands, Salem. Work will be cooking for 4 people both morning and evening. Good and neat cooking is required. It is for only female candidates. Interested candidates, you can approach using this mobile number, that is 6382553729. Next, there is a job opening for fitter from Salem Atomic. It is located in Salem location, Tamil Nadu, and they want to fabrication fitter. For this job portion, qualification will be ITI or diploma candidates. Experience will be 1 or 20 years. So interested candidates, you can approach through the given mobile numbers. First one 9600969730, second one 9600969725. Next, there are vacancies from VR Suzuki. They are hiring for bike mechanic, and 5 vacancies are available for this job position. It is located in Salem location, Tamil Nadu. For this job position, service field mechanic experience is must. Yeah, 2 years of experience is must. Salary negotiable, immediate joining. So they have provided these details for this job position. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9940999220. Next, there are vacancies from VR Suzuki. They are hiring for washing technician. It is located in Salem location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 6,000 rupees per month, and 2-wheeler is must for this job position. Washing vehicles and helping to delivery. This is the job description, and age should be above 18 years. Minimum qualification will be 10th or ITI or diploma. 3-month training period is provided, and these are the address details. Please check with this. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 99940999220. Next, there is a job opening for office staff. It is from Albert Engineering Associates. It is located in Salem location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 9,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. They need female candidates for office staff post with BE civil engineering qualification, AutoCAD drafting knowledge and minimum 1 year of experience is required. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided email ID. Next, there is a job opening for general technician from Anamalais Toyota Salem. So it is located in Salem location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 7,000 rupees per month. So please check with the all detailed information about this job position. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9095744300. Next, there are vacancies from Salem Automech. They are hiring for welder position. It is located in Salem location, Tamil Nadu. They want to manual welding and auto welding and CO2 welding workers. For this job position, qualification will be ITI or diploma. 1 to 2 years of experience is also needed for this job position. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the two given phone numbers. First one 9600969725. Second one 9600969730. Next, there are some job openings for admin assistants. It is from Bristol Healthcare Services Private Limited. It is located in Salem location. They are offering a salary for this job portion is 1,20,000 rupees per year. So it is for male candidates for freshers. So please you check with the all what are the skills required for this job portion and also with the job description provided here. And for this job position, qualification will be BA or BCom, passed or any other equivalent degree with commerce background. Basic knowledge of MS Office is required. So please check with the qualification details provided here. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 7540096142. Next, there are some job openings for staff nurses for Salem. It is from Atlas Medcare. It is located in Salem location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 12,000 rupees per month, and they need staff nurses for Salem. Good salary with food and accommodation will also be provided. For more details, you can contact them immediately with the given phone number, that is 9894640904. So that's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. So please encourage us to do more videos, and thanks for watching the video, my dear friends.